Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and today we are reviewing another SoundPEATS earbuds itself. As you guys know, alright, I do have a review of a few different SoundPEATS earbuds, and I love their earbuds because alright, the price to quality ratio is undefeatable among other brands of earbuds out there, where you get those really cool techs built in to ensure that you have the best sounding experience without emptying your wallet itself. So that's what I love about the SoundPEATS earbuds, and today we have the latest one from SoundPEATS, which is the S6HS. Alright, so yeah, this thing is a very budget friendly earbuds, but you guys can see this two thing right over here. They even have high-res audio certification and as well as LDAC itself, and this thing is built in with the latest Bluetooth 6.0 chip itself to ensure seamless connectivity without any interruptions or any cut-off connection. So this is really awesome. I'm going to go more into the specification or the technical details later on, but let's just unbox this because I'm really excited to see what they have inside here, alright, and how this earbuds looks like. Alright, so let me just open this thing up. Okay, so on top here we have the user menu, which I'm not going to open that and dive that into it because it's kind of boring stuff for you guys. Alright, we do have the earbuds over here. We're going to just put it aside for now, and I think that is all we get inside here. Let me just see. Yep, I think that's all we get inside here, and we do get a charging cable, alright, USB-A to USB-C to charge up the earbuds itself, and these are pretty much what we have inside here. So let's put the box aside, and now let's just take a look at the earpiece itself of today's show. Alright, so you guys can see, alright, this is the earbuds case itself, and you guys can see SoundPEATS logo behind here. Very nice, smooth, matte finish, black finishing. Alright, I think they do come in white as well, so if you have a different preference, you guys can choose. And the USB-C charging port at the bottom, and it's very small. You guys can see compared to my hand, this thing is really small, fits inside any pocket really easily and really well. Alright, and if you open that up, wow, you are presented with this shiny glossy black finish of the earbuds itself. Really nice. Let's just take them out for you guys to have a closer look at them. Alright, and this is yeah, really nice black earbuds right over here. You guys can see, very new, very awesome, very nice. Alright, you guys can see right over here as well, super glossy finish, super nice. Alright, and it just feels very lightweight as well. Alright, so this is the SoundPEATS S6HS. Alright, and it's just so good. So what we have to do now is, let me just take out the blue thing. Alright, and now let me just pair it with my phone itself. Let me open the SoundPEATS app. Alright, let's open this up, click on plus, go to pair. Alright, and it should show it over here, so I just need to pair it over here, and bam, you guys can see my phone detects it at LDAC and MSPC. I'm not sure what is that, but it's certainly something useful as well. Alright, oops, sorry, let me just go back to SoundPEATS again. S6HS auto connects really easily. Alright, and bam, it is connected. Alright, so I do have a firmware update, but I'm going to update it later on. But you guys can see this thing also has spatial audio. Alright, so what if you don't know what spatial audio means, if you're watching the movie, this and that, alright, it gives you this really nice 3D surround sound that, it makes you feel much more immersed in the movie itself. Or when some audio have a 3D audio, it makes you more immersive, and if you look left, look right, alright, the audio moves with you, which is really awesome. I can't believe they have spatial audio over here. Alright, we do have this certain touch operation to change track, all this and that, play, pause audio. We have different equalizer as well. You guys can change to a different kinds of equalizer, or you guys can have preset equalizer for listening to certain music as well. You guys can also have your own custom equalizers, alright, custom audio tuning. Alright, this thing also does support dual device connection, where you guys can connect this to your laptop and to your phone at the same time, and then can switch between that very seamlessly and easily as well. Alright, they also have LDAC, which is already on by default. Alright, we have prompt sound guide. If you don't know what is LDAC, basically it's like a low latency, a much more better audio quality in not a very technical term, something that you can understand. Basically, it gives you a much better sounding quality, alright, that is transmitted through Bluetooth, a higher bit rate itself, which is really awesome. Alright, we have certain prompt sound guide as well. Alright, or like connected, disconnected, you know, volume up, volume down, you know, those like prompt guide. This one you guys can adjust it inside here. You guys can also disable touch control, because if you hate like accidentally touching it when you are like touching your ears or something, you guys can disable that as well. They have the drainage function as well, the game mode and dynamic equalizer as well. These are really useful features, especially if you're caught in the rain, because this thing also have IP54 protection as well. So if you're in the rain, all this, you don't have to worry about it getting wet and, you know, damaging it. All right, so this thing can definitely use it in the rain, or, you know, all this and that. Don't have to worry about that. All right, they also have a lot of things you guys can do over here itself. So these are all the things, the basic functionality that you guys can control with the app itself. All right, and right now I'm going to just put this on and listen to some music and give you my verdict on how this thing actually sounds. And now this, before I do a music test, all right, I would like to talk about a bit of the specification itself. So inside here there is a 13mm driver in each earbuds itself, and 13mm is generally quite big, all right, for a earbuds driver. On average, a earbuds driver that you find in traditional earbuds is only 8 to 10mm. 13mm can give you a much better sound staging, makes it much clearer for certain music, as well as the bass will feel really amazing. So it's really amazing they have built big, insert a bigger driver inside here, which I love. Earbuds with a larger driver sounds much more clearer. All right, the sound staging, the highs and lows are much more balanced and equalized as well. So it's a plus point that they have a bigger driver in a more budget friendly earbuds right here, but you know, they don't cut off on like certain quality as well. All right, and this thing also have 45 hours of playback time, so you don't have to worry about constantly charging it or constantly running out of battery. This thing can last you the whole day, or even more, without the need to keep charging it as well. Really amazing. And inside here they have 6 arrays of microphone with AI built in to help you cancel out background noise or windy environment, so that, you know, you guys can just have calls with the other person without worrying about in the very noisy environment or in the windy environment where they could not hear you, because with the 6 mic they can capture your voice really sharp, crispy and clear, so that you don't have to worry about the other party cannot hear what you are trying to do or say. All right, so which is really amazing. These are really amazing technologies that can help me, and I love all these things. That I think these are all the plus point and plus side point for me itself, because I benefit greatly from all this kind of thing, because I hate to take down my earbuds when I'm on the call itself. All right, so you guys have seen the technical specification. This thing is really amazing, nothing to complain about. But let's just see if the sound quality itself is something that I can maybe complain about, or I'll be mind blown by it. So without further ado, let me just do a quick sound test. All right, and before that, let me just put this on, and you guys can take a look at how it looks probably in your ears. All right, so it feels very comfortable. Okay, super lightweight, and it fit my ear pretty well. All right, no issues with that. And yeah, the size, everything is perfect. All right, and yeah, you guys can see. All right, yeah, it fits in my ear really well. I'm loving it. All right, nothing to complain about. And yeah, this is how it looks like in my ear. So right now I'm going to play some music, and after that I'm going to give you my verdict on how this thing actually sounds. Is it good or is it bad? Okay, so I have listened to all wide range of music, from bass to pop to jazz to like those lo-fi, very vibey music, or those love songs as well. This thing just blows all the other genre of song out of the water. All right, it feels very natural listening to it. All right, and for certain genres of music, it just feels very perfect. There's no noise distortion or like certain ringing noises. Everything feels very natural, very smooth, very well balanced, which I'm really impressed by it as well. There's nothing I can really complain about. All right, it sounds really good, and if you love bass, this thing also sounds really good for bass heavy music as well, because of the larger driver size. So there's really nothing I can complain about. It just looks so good. All right, and it just sounds really amazing. The mid, highs and lows are really well balanced off. I would say probably expect maybe like the highs maybe a bit too screechy, in the sense that for certain types of sound ranges it can be a bit high pitched, and it might, for me, because my ear is slightly more sensitive, so maybe it's just my ears, but for higher pitch music, all right, it can maybe a bit too sharp for my ears. But other than that, there's really nothing to complain about. It's really nice listening to music on this pair of earbuds right here, all right, and my music sound really, really good, all right. As someone who has tried, you know, a lot of different earbuds and reviewed it throughout the years, and all different kinds of earbuds, all right, from low end to super high end, or I will say that this thing fits generally well within the high end range, but you know, it's very, very budget friendly. So this thing sounds really amazing, and if you want something that is budget friendly and sounds really amazing, and because of the high res audio certification as well, and all the really awesome technologies built in like Bluetooth 6.0, and this thing also have a slight noise cancelling as well, which is really amazing, up to like 52 kilohertz of noise cancelling, which is one thing I forgot to mention. All right, so when I wear this on, the surrounding feels much quieter, so I'm really impressed by that. So there's really nothing I can complain about this, all right, Air6 HS by SoundPEATS. All right, and if you guys want to check out a budget friendly earbuds that gives you all the technologies, all the really good things that you find in the higher end earbuds at a really budget friendly price, this is something that you should definitely check it out. All right, so yeah, this is the SoundPEATS Air6 HS. I'll link then the first link in the video description down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out. So yeah, that's all for the guys. Find this video really interesting and really helpful, and you guys want me to review other, you know, SoundPEATS or any other brands of earbuds or certain models as well, you guys can let me know in the comment section down below, and I will review them to your liking. All right, so yeah, that's all for the guys, and once again, you guys check out this SoundPEATS Air6 HS. You guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this pair of earbuds for yourself right now. So yeah, that's all for the guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.